With the American Express ecosystem continuing to change, especially with the American Express Gold Card, it is essential that we maximize all tools at our disposal. And in this video, I'm going to teach you guys 5 specific American Express hacks that I use to maximize my membership reward points. Now, if you enjoy content such as this, guys, feel free to smash that subscribe button, as it directly supports my channel, and I love interacting with each and every one of you guys. The first hack that I believe every single person applying for an American Express credit card needs to do is shopping around for the correct sign up bonuses. Now, Amex in general is notorious for having hidden sign up offers at a severely elevated level that you have to do some digging for. And let's say if I were to tell you, would you rather a 150,000 MR sign up bonus on your Amex Platinum versus the traditional 80,000 sign up offer available to the public? 100% of people would say yes. So why not search for that and capitalize on these free MR points? So on the left-hand side, I'm going to show you with a traditional browser. If you go to the American Express website, you're going to see the Platinum with a 80,000 MR point offer. Now, just by opening up Google Chrome and going to private browsing, I'm able to find a 150,000 MR point offer. Guys, at a conservative 1 cent per point conversion, this is $700 more for the same level of spend. If you apply this to all other Amex applications, guys, you can start to multiply the amount of membership reward points you can get, as well as multiply them for traveling and your transfer partners. Another practical example to show you guys some evidence, I did this one on my phone via Safari with private browsing enabled with the American Express Gold Refresh. On the left-hand side, you can see the traditional public offer of 60,000 MR points. And on the right-hand side, I will show you on my private browsing on my phone, I have a targeted offer for 90,000 MR points. Guys, this took me 10 seconds to do. And just by implementing this simple hack, you can start to churn out the maximum amount of credit card points at your personal disposal. Moving on to number 2, and something that I'm trying to implement more and more throughout my rotation, is point stacking. This is how we're going to use multiple strategies to stack and stack and stack points up until we have not only monstrous discounts, but cash back in the form of membership reward points. Now, we're going to need to capitalize on 2 specific things. That is the offers tab. Now, I know a lot of people don't like the Amex offers tab, but if you utilize something like Max Rewards, it becomes a lot more tolerable. And number 2 is going to be Rakuten. Now, Rakuten is usually viewed as a cashback website, but a lot of people don't know is that there's an option to achieve the cashback in the form of MR points. So by utilizing these 2 principles and stacking them up together, guys, we're going to get massive discounts. And I'm going to show you guys a practical example and walk you guys through the entire process. Now, I actually had this entire portion of the video filmed, but I just utilized this exact point stacking method, and I wanted to give you guys some real world examples on how you can achieve these elevated amounts of credit card points. So right now, my wife is planning for a 9-day trip to Barcelona next month in September, and she loves to shop at the store Farm Rio. So before she makes any of these larger purchases, I always try and maximize the amount of credit card points we can achieve just because it funds our further travel habits. So step 1 in the process, I always check my American Express offers tabs, which are auto accepted by Max Rewards. So she was shopping at Farm Rio. So all I do is type in Farm Rio, and popped up was a 4% back in the form of MR points when you make a purchase with the American Express Gold Card, which is the card that I have. So this is step 1. Then we take our website over to Rakuten. We type in Farm Rio, and popped up was a 5% cashback when you shop at Farm Rio. Again, we changed the function in the website to pay us out in MR points instead of cash back. So now we are stacking up rewards on 2 separate offers. Then we go over to the Farm Rio site via the Rakuten extension, and we complete our purchase. And we are checking out with our Amex Gold. So we're getting a 1x back. So let's do some math. On the $226 purchase that my wife made, we're getting 4% back via the Amex offer. We're getting 5% back via the Rakuten offer. And we're getting the 1x back via Amex multiplier. Guys, for the purchase that my wife was already going to make, this is an additional 10% back in the form of Amex reward points This is insane. There is no other credit card that's going to get you 10% back on online shopping. Now, guys, I always love to put a little disclaimer in these types of videos to always only do this if it was a purchase you are already going to make. Do not get enticed by these elevated percentages in your Amex offers tab or via Rakuten. This is how these companies lure in these vulnerable buyers and get you to overspend on your credit cards. My wife was going to make this purchase whether I was going to interfere or not, so might as well capitalize on that 10% back in Amex reward points instead of just getting like a customary 1.5% on her Chase Freedom Flex. Moving on to the third hack, and honestly, my personal favorite because it's getting the most mileage at this time, is the Grubhub Guarantee hack. Now, to properly do this hack, guys, you not only need the American Express Gold Card, but you need to utilize your dining credit specifically at Grubhub. The Grubhub Guarantee hack is going to capitalize on what's called the Grubhub Guarantee. This is a rule for Grubhub where they allow you to price match your purchase. And if you can find a competitor such as Uber Eats or DoorDash that is offering a lower price, they will not only pay you the differential, but they'll also give you a $5 promo within the Grubhub app. So with the American Express Gold, we're going to get $10 worth of food credit within Grubhub monthly for the 12 months of the year. So if we can order a meal as close to $10, we're not only going to get this meal for free, but if we can price match it at a higher price to another competitor, we're not only going to get this reimbursed, but an additional $5 at Grubhub. Now, I know that sounds a little complicated, so let's walk through an example and I'll show you how to replicate this month after month. So depending how intentional you want to be with your Grubhub Guarantee hack, I would recommend, if you definitely want to capitalize, check for a discrepancy prior to ordering. If not, just order your food regularly, and if you find a discrepancy, then submit it. So for this example, so you guys can see it in action, I order Subway all the time for my wife via pickup with my dining credit because she works right next to one. So I ordered her a tuna sub and a pack of Sun Chips. This came out to $10.86. So with my American Express dining credit via Grubhub, it only costed me 86 cents. But after I submitted that purchase, I logged into Uber Eats and I added the same meal to the cart. Again, do not check out because you don't want two meals. And I saw that the total at Uber Eats came out to around $8, which is less than Grubhub, which means we can submit a claim via the Grubhub Guarantee. So all we do is take a screenshot via Uber Eats and submit this in Grubhub. It has to be an identical meal. So I submitted it via the Grubhub Guarantee, and they not only paid me out the difference, but they also gave me a $5 promo, totaling $8. So let's do some quick math. So I ordered the initial meal with my Grubhub credit with the American Express Gold, which potentially came out to 86 cents because we get that $10 credit. I then submitted my Grubhub Guarantee, and I still have $8 in promo via Grubhub to play around with after. Now, depending on how crazy you want to get with this promo, you can continue to replicate the process again and again. I'll show you some screenshots. I took this $8 promo and ordered Subway again for my wife a couple weeks later. The difference was about $2 that I had to pay out of pocket. And I logged into Uber Eats. It was still cheaper. So I just took the screenshot, submitted it in Grubhub, and I got another $8 in promo, guys. This is insane. If you can continue to replicate it, look for different discrepancies amongst other restaurants. So just to tally it up, with my singular $10 Grubhub credit, I got 2 meals at Subway and I still have $8 left over in promo. This not only assists in people who are trying to justify the gold card, but people like me that have no problems justifying it, we can kind of juice more kind of value out of this $10 singular credit we get on a monthly basis. Moving on to the fourth hack, and one that's super important, especially for your longevity in the Amex ecosystem, is correctly and chronologically applying for credit cards. Now, this is super important, guys, especially for kind of the staple colored credit cards, such as the Platinum, Gold, and Green card, because Amex has some very, very specific verbiage in their terms of condition. And they specifically state that if you apply for kind of the higher tiered credit cards, it makes you ineligible for those lower tiered credit card sign-up bonus. Now, again, this applies to the kind of staple American Express credit cards. So if you applied for the American Express Platinum out the bat, you achieve the sign-up bonus and you utilize it regularly. If you then want to kind of broaden your ecosystem and apply for the gold card, unfortunately, you will not be able to get that sign-up bonus. So by correctly and chronologically applying for, if you want, again, starting with something such as the green card and working your way up, this will allow you to achieve even more membership reward points. And these sign up bonuses, guys, especially if you can target those elevated sign up bonuses, can be the difference between $900 to over $1,000 worth of Amex membership reward points. To further emphasize why this is so important, just with my singular American Express Gold sign up bonus, which at the time was about 90,000 MR points, I was not only able to book myself, but my wife a to and from flight from MIA Airport to Barcelona, Spain, only in American Express points, only having to pay taxes and fees. So these sign up bonuses for these American Express credit card, guys, are super, super, super lucrative, especially if you know how to navigate transfer portals and transfer partners. Now, the good news is that this doesn't apply to all Amex credit cards, and some of the co-branded hotel credit cards, such as the Hilton, don't have this specific rule in their verbiage yet. So at this given time, you can apply for the Hilton Aspire, which is the highest tiered Hilton credit card. And then 2 years down the line, if this verbiage is still the same, you can then apply for the Surpass and Hilton Honors and still achieve those sign-up bonuses. So again, it doesn't apply to all Amex credit cards, but for those kind of more concrete staple credit cards like the Platinum, Gold, and Green card, this rule does apply. Moving on to our last hack, guys, and honestly, one I'm going to be very transparent with you. I've had zero success with, but I've seen various data points suggesting that it works more often than not, is applying for a retention offer. Now, if you're not aware, guys, what a retention offer is when you contact customer service after your annual fee has hit your account and tell them that you may be thinking about canceling this credit card. They will sometimes offer you kind of a lump sum of MR points to stay within their ecosystem after hitting a minimum area of spend. So think of it kind of as another secondary sign up bonus. So I've seen a wide variety. I've seen $100 worth of MR points. I've seen $300, so 30,000 MR points. And I've also seen some hybrid kind of retention offers where they allow you to transfer your MR points at an elevated rate to pay for your annual fee. The more of the story, guys, is it doesn't hurt to contact customer support. The worst they can say is no. And the best scenario is they give you a secondary kind of mini sign up bonus. So the more of the stories, guys, is don't be scared to kind of push and shove with Amex customer support. And the best case scenario is you get another lump sum of Amex membership reward points. This works not only if you're trying to keep the credit card, but if you're on the fence of canceling, because this can kind of sway your opinion on whether you keep this credit card in your rotation for another year or if you ultimately want to cancel it. Well, guys, those are 5 specific hacks that I personally use on a monthly basis within the Amex ecosystem to maximize my membership reward points. Drop me a comment below if you utilize any of these hacks or have the intention of utilizing some of them in the future. And if you enjoy this content, feel free to smash that subscribe button, as I love to interact with each and every one of you. And if you want more Amex ecosystem videos, I got 2 right here for you.